Hey babe, guess what? I finally had a chance to have a look at that AOE stuff you sent me, and it is awesome. I was so impressed. I joined the Facebook group. They welcomed me, had a bit of a chat on there, looked at some of the information. I am so happy that you found that. Where are you up to with it?
I'm probably 3 or 4 modules in. How are you finding the modules? Have you started those?
Oh yes, I'm really enjoying those so far. Neil's just so straightforward, easy spoken, no big business jargon words that I have to look up to understand what he's talking about. Just straightforward, plain English that anyone can understand. I am really, really enjoying it.
I'm so pleased because, like I said before, I think this is our window, this is our door. We need to embrace it and really go with it. So that's so exciting.
Oh, it
Awesome.
is. It really is exciting. I love it.
Awesome. Cool. Well, I've got to run. I'll catch you.
All right, bye.
See you, babe.